20-20 करोड़ के अपार्टमेंट हैं इसके अंदर, और ये देखो।
Gurgaon wasn't always like this. In fact, once a river, the Sahibi, ran through it. Gurugram was developed on the course of the seasonal river, which originated in Rajasthan, flowed through Haryana, and eventually merged with Yamuna in Delhi. Using satellite imagery, the Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, INTAC, has traced the flow of the Sahibi, now classified as ephemeral. Instead of a river, it's bracketed into canals and nalas, carrying water only when it rains heavily in the catchment areas. Just 2 decades ago, Gurugram was farmland and villages. Today, it's one of India's richest cities, home to global banks, IT giants, and luxury apartments. But the rains tell another story. This so-called Millennium City can't handle water.
ये देख के हालत मुझे तरस आ रहा है कि हम कैसी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं।
कहावत है एक कॉर्पोरेट मजदूर, सेम वही फीलिंग आ रही है मेरी कि मतलब वी आर लाइक सेम एज जो हमारे मजदूर होते हैं।
Here's the price of rapid urbanization. In the rush to build offices, expressways, and gated societies, Gurugram built over its natural drainage system. Wetlands that once absorbed rainwater are gone. Natural channels that carried water away are blocked by concrete.
और यहाँ पर पहले बंद होते थे, पॉन्ड्स होते थे, और बसई वेटलैंड, चंदू वेटलैंड, और फिर साहिबी नदी। तो जो पानी फ्लो करता था वो स्पंज की तरह एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता था।
The destruction extends beyond the main river. In Basai village, 5 of its 6 ponds vanished in just 12 years. By 2019, they had either been paved over for residential sectors and a school, or poisoned by industrial effluents. The Badshahpur drain, Gurugram's primary stormwater channel, once measured 45 meters wide. Today, it has shrunk to under 10 meters in places, choked by encroachment, silt, and waste. Smaller sector-level drains are poorly aligned and frequently clogged, leaving little room for water to escape. Green cover too has collapsed. According to the Haryana Forest Department, it has dropped from 9% in 2011 to less than 4% today. With grasslands, open fields, and wetlands replaced by glass and concrete, rainwater has no way to percolate. It rushes instead onto roads, overwhelming whatever drainage remains. For gig workers and daily wages, the loss is more direct. No rides, no deliveries, no work. Every monsoon is a reminder, urban growth without planning is a flood waiting to happen.